Alright, so I had this issue with my car. Thing wouldn't start. It's a manual transmission, 3.8 Genesis 2011 coupe. Open the door, push the start. This little thing would come on. Everything works. All the lights. Nothing really seems to be off. You press the clutch, press the button, nothing happens. So after thinking, starter, alternator, battery, fuses, relays, all that junk, I decided to come down here and take a look at all the little things under here. This is my brake pedal. Look back there at the little switches. Then I decided to look at the clutch. I don't know if you could tell, probably not. There's a little button thing right here, one up here. When you press the clutch, that little thing goes straight through. Probably won't be able to see, but it's a little switch that's supposed to be depressed whenever you hit the clutch, and I think that's the clutch switch probably. Anyway, it breaks. It's some cheap plastic rubber kind of thing, so that's a fix to one of these Genesis not starting. Obviously there's probably other things that can happen too, but that is one fix. What I did, this little thing broke off. I think it probably looks like a little T, like one of those little things that holds the plastic frame stuff on the engine together. I actually put it on backwards. Now you see two little buttons there. This one here, that one there. Press the clutch. Turn it on. Starts right up. So there is a fix.